Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can create your very own one-of-a-kind flower crown using Beauxoxo bespoke flower crown kit. You will need floral wire, ribbon, ivy leaf trim and an assortment of paper flowers. Firstly, take the vine base and secure the ivy leaf trim with one of the small paper flowers. Leave the rest of the trim to the side. And now let your creative mind go wild. Start decorating the rest of the vine base with the paper flowers. By now your flower crown is taking shape. So when you're happy with the placement of the other flowers, wrap the rest of the ivy leaf trim around the vine base. To secure the rest of the ivy leaf trim to the base, use one of the small paper flowers. This will hold the leaf trim in place, and you won't need a glue gun or even any scissors. To finish your crown, add the perfect finishing touch by feeding the ribbon through the 2 loopholes and secure with a bow. You're now the proud owner of a beautiful one-of-a-kind flower crown, completely unique to you. I'd absolutely love to see the finished creation, so be sure to share it with me by using the hashtag MyBeauxDIY.